viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, in last video we have gave two information how we can download the extension of Terra Luna wallet and how to install in our browser and how to create accounts. I hope you properly understand if you need to use Terra Luna station or Terra Luna extension. So today we are going to discuss about how we can find the wallet ID of Terra Luna. Yes, if you need to deposit on your account, so you must have your wallet address or public address. So how can you find? This is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving to complete information how to find. So please, first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button, and you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, today we are going to find the wallet address, because you know your wallet address is unique, and if you need to deposit amounts, so you must have your wallet address. Let's suppose you want to withdraw amount from Binance exchange and you want to deposit in your Terra extension, so you must have your wallet address, so you can easily find from your wallet and you can easily deposit it. So first of all, I'm going to open my Terra Luna wallet. You can see here Terra Luna extension is open in front of me. I have apply password, so that I'm going to enter my password here. I need to log in my account, and then we can find easily our wallet address. Submit. When you open your wallet, you can see here the main interface is open in front of you. This time I have not any Luna in my wallet. And if you need to find your wallet address, so you can see here there is shown your wallet address. This is your wallet address. Click on QR code option, and then you can see here your QR code option is open in front of you. You just simple your wallet address from this tab, simple copy, open your notepad file, and where you save your all phrases, you just simple also save your wallet address. Like me, I'm going to write here my wallet address, Terra Luna wallet address, and just paste here. Before going to save this notepad file, you must cross check you have saved your wallet address correctly or not. You just match first 3 digits and last 3 digits. My wallet address is 100% correct, so before going to, you must cross check. Okay, this is my wallet address. I will save this wallet address in my notepad file, and if I need to copy my wallet address, so I don't want to open and again my wallet, so I just simple open my notepad file and copy my wallet address and send that person who want to send the money. First of all, you save your wallet address, and then the next step is that you just simple take the screenshot of your QR code. This is also necessary, because if you do not want to any error in your wallet address before going to deposit, so you must take the screenshot. If you have the screenshot of your QR code, let's suppose you want to send the money from Binance, when you're going to click on withdrawal button, then you can easily scan this QR code. When you scan this code, you just simple get this wallet address at your Binance area, and you can easily deposit amount on this area. So viewers, I hope you properly understand. If you need to find your wallet address, and also you can deposit after find your wallet address, and you can easily save your amount for long term. But keep in your mind, you must have your recovery phrases. Okay, so if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, find network, so you can mail to me my email address, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments. I hope I will resolve your problem. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.